Full Metal Schoolgirl. Changing some settings?
After 2.5 years in the making, this day is finally here. The day I can introduce our new product, one which will revolutionize everything for a cyborg. I present the Android. We at Maternal Jobs have redefined the word workforce.
He's the one who killed my father. He can't get away with this. Let's go, Akemi! We're doing this, Ryoko.
Emergency! Emergency! Intruders have breached the entrance.
I'll avenge you, Daddy! Ryoko!
Yahoo! I hit someone! I did something helpful!
I'll be fine. Go ahead without me, Akemi. Oh, okay.
Hey, don't tell me you girls rushed in without telling me.
The heck is that?
The working dead, generating energy by spinning that cylinder. They're forcing the dead to work using zoned operative mind-bottle technology, aka zombie tech. Zombie tech makes them work even harder than when they were alive, creating the working dead.
This is beyond cruel.
Head to the higher floors by using the emergency stairs. Now let's get this party started!
Got it.
It's been nice working with you all.
Next.
Intruder in the Android sales room. Repeat. Intruder in the Android sales room.
Tomio? Those intruders I mentioned before, one of them has entered the company.
Were you still talking? Yes, fine. A new hire has entered the company.
No ma'am. Not new hire. An intruder has entered the company.
Not bad. Shall not pass. Eliminate.
Prepare yourself!
Get workers' comp for this. What the?
Eat this!
Damn you!
I guess I can use this.
Done for the day. Who are you? Workers comp for this. How'd you like this? I'm taking lead.
Work even in death? What kind of slogan is that? I'm gonna free them from this hell.
Battery cell at the center is their weak point. Aim there.
Not ready yet. Not enough energy. Still need more charge. Not ready yet. I'm up.
This.
You
little.
Glad that's over with. What's this?
Target spotted.
We're going down! We're going down!
Smartass. I better get workers comp for this. Time's over. Nice working with you. Shall not pass.
You little.
You're going down! Not good!
How's this?
How'd you like this? I'm taking lead.
Toast you! Anyone ready to go home? Come forward! Time for you to
Smartass. You shall not pass, smartass. I'm taking lead.
I should be safe now. I guess I can use this. Let's go! Feel cold. Wonder if she made it okay.
I've been calling her. No response yet.
What? Why didn't you mention that like an hour ago? I'm going back for her.
Look, I'm worried too. But she said to go on. We need to keep moving.
Still need more charge. I'm just getting started. Eat this! You're going down.
Break time's over. Time for work.
You too tough.
Smartass.
Someone's here.
Prepare yourself.
Shall not pass. Shall not pass.
How's this?
My real fight starts here.
Nice working with you all. I'm taking lead.
Damn you! You little.
This might be of some use. Fire! This box is a different color than the others.
That's a treasure chest. You need to use meta drop points, MJP, to open it.
So that's what I use those points for.
Guess I gotta move.
Break time's over.
Looking for it. Damn you!
Punching out.
Overused it. Go!
I got this.
Energy. Alright, I'm back! You're toast! I'm overheating! Help me out! You're going down! Alright, I'm back! What the hell was that? I guess I can use this. I overdid it! Not enough energy. Still need more charge. Still need more charge. Fire! Back in business. I can feel someone's gaze.
Someone needs to be supposed to be here.
You're going down! You're going down!
Someone's here.
Fire! You're going down!
Respect.
Damn it! Where are those new hires you mentioned? I can already tell they're tardy, slacking, and lacking in motivation. I'm docking their pay! I'm pretty sure employers can't talk to their workers like that. Someone should really start a lawsuit. Yahoo Man! Go and check on them! Now!
Check on them?
Back in business. Glad that's over with. What's this? Look! There's something behind that force field. It must be something good. My attacks have no effect on this force field.
Oh well, you should keep moving for now. Respect.
Next.
Yahoo! I did it! Look what I did!
Where am I?
They're the Avengers, keeping the city clean. Nobody's messing with the full metal body queens. Electrifying, can't look away. All eyes locked to the machine girls. Heart of justice, body of steel. Fighting with a fatal charm. But they can't have ice cream, not anymore. There's no time to hesitate. 'Cause there's evil to defeat. Bulletproof body with an overflowing energy. Let's get booty booty, take 'em all out. Feel that hammer falling down. Say what you're gonna say with your fist. Full metal
cyborgs known as the Machine Girls. They had their bodies remodeled by Dr. Hakase, and well, long story short, they burst into maternal jobs to avenge their father.